Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Roblox not loading on your phone. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. When Roblox is stuck loading or won't open, there are a few things we can try. The first thing to do is to fully close the app. On your phone, swipe up from the bottom of the screen or tap the Recent Apps button, then swipe Roblox up to close it completely. After that, open Roblox again and check if it loads correctly. If it still won't load, open any Roblox game and scroll down until you see the servers section. Try joining a server directly to see if that works. Sometimes the issue is with the default server, and joining another one can fix the problem. If the problem continues, restart your device. Hold down the power button, select Restart, and wait for your phone to turn back on. Once it's back on, open Roblox again to see if the issue is gone. It is also a good idea to check if Roblox servers are down. Simply search for Roblox server status in your browser and check if there are any ongoing outages that might be affecting the game, and that's it. Now you know how to fix Roblox not loading.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.